Hi guys, welcome back to Baking Fiat. Today we're going to be making loaded caramel brownies. Are you excited? I'm excited. Okay, so our oven is at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. We have a 9-inch square that I have greased and parchmented. In a bowl, I have 1 cup of sifted all-purpose flour. It's 150 grams. We're going to add in 80 grams, which is 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch cocoa powder. It's sifted. Just doing that. I have 50 grams of brown sugar. It's 1/4 of a cup. And I'm adding 210 grams, which is 1 cup of sugar. Next we're adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 eggs. I started with 2 eggs, then I added 1 more after. It's 180 grams of melted butter, unsalted. I let it cool after I melted it. And I'm just adding it in slowly. So this is a super fun for things to do with the kids. The only thing is you're gonna have to do the chopping of the caramel. Okay, so we're now folding in 100 grams of chopped caramel. Look out, world, those are delicious. And 1/2 cup of desiccated coconut. We're just folding these both in. I think this would be also a great cookie. Okay, let's just spread it into the pan. Spreading it out with a palette knife. You could just use a normal knife. Okay, into the oven it goes. It's going for 55 minutes at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's prick it. Okay, so the toothpick is not wet, but it's got a little bit of crumbs on it. You know what, let's take it out. It'll be super moist. Okay, so in a small pot, I have a little bit of water. I created a double boiler. I'm trying to melt down like 50 grams of caramel. Okay, I'm gonna try and spread this on at this consistency. Sorry about the camera angle, but we're just spreading on the slightly melted caramel eggs, and we're just topping it with some whole caramel eggs, so it looks nice and pretty. Sprinkle on some coconut. And doesn't that look good? Okay, I'm just gonna cut this open. So let's cut it in half, and each half we're gonna cut in half again. So we're gonna quarter it lengthwise. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Here it is. Ooh. Oh baby, that looks so good! Okay. Maybe throw in some more caramel, please. With the coconut, it's so nice. Y'all gotta try this. My goodness, that was delicious. Okay, so why don't you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe? Hit that bell and hit me up for that next video. Baking Fiona.